So, announcements can be useful for getting out general information, maybe reminding kids of upcoming deadlines, sharing important information, things like that. So, to create an announcement, you're going to come over here to the announcement tab and you're going to add announcement. So, for our key, this is going to be key reminder, and I'm going to copy and paste our announcement for this coming week with anything that has to do with key. And so I can change the sections that I want it to go to. I can upload a file. There's options within here. I can ask that you like it so that I know that you read it, different things like that. And then I'm going to hit save, and my announcement will show up on the announcements page and it will get students' attention.